Hey everybody, it's Will Venus. Welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? So today I thought I would do a little video on what camcorder I use for filming, well, everything. Everything for my YouTube. I use my phone for Instagram. I found it really difficult finding this camcorder because there was nothing really within my budget for especially for an HD camcorder that had the external mic feature. I spent lots and lots and lots of time looking through all the specifics of different HD camcorders, and it appeared that they either didn't have it, or they didn't, like on specific websites, list if they did have it or not. It was only just by chance that I saw a picture on the specific site that I bought it from that I noticed it has the mic jack. So the camcorder I use is this. It's an HD camera, and it's the Sony HDR-CX450, not to be confused with the CX405. Yeah, so it's a camcorder. It's got your viewfinder. I'll talk you through a couple of buttons on here. So obviously this is the one to turn it on and off. This you press if you want to view like the videos that you've taken and the photos. Don't know what this one's for. And if you open this, and this little red port is where you put your mic. This one is for headphones, and if you flip this little one down, that's the port for your micro SD card. That's your HDMI port. Just close that for the time being. There's your detachable battery, which you can put onto like an external pack to charge. That's your button for start and stop recording videos. Up here you've got the button for, see if that can get into focus. No, will it focus? No. Anyway, that button's for to take photos. That's your zoom in and out. There is another port here, but I don't know what it's for. It says multi on it. Underneath you've got your little screw bit so you can attach it to a tripod. And there's your little button to take the battery off. And yeah, I think it's a great little camera because it gives good quality. You've got your various menus and things for your setup. It says wide there. I don't know if that means wide angle lens. And yeah, it's a great little camcorder if you're like starting out on a budget. It's a 1080p camera, HD of course, and I think I picked this up for under £200, which is really quite good for starting out, you know, vlogging and things. So it says on it 9.2 megapixel still image recording, whatever that means. I don't know. I'm not a tech person. Yeah, so if you want a camcorder that's got a the feature to put the external mic, then yeah, go for that one. If there's anything that you would like to know that I've missed out, please do let me know in the comments. I thought I would share this because I found it really hard to find one within my budget. Yeah, and if this video has been useful to you, if you could leave me a like, that would be really great, and subscribe if you like, because I've got really exciting content coming up, including true crime. If you want to see examples of indoor filming of this camera, you could go and check out a few of my more recent videos because they're all filmed using this camera. That would be great. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all again very soon. Take care. Bye.